everyone! Welcome back to Elexhub channel. It's another day in Elexhub Engineering Department, so it's another tutorial. In today's video, pag-aaralan naman natin ang MPU6050 sensor. This is a powerful motion tracking module that combines an accelerometer and a gyroscope in one tiny package. So we will cover what it is, how to wire it up, the coding, and then testing. So stick around to the end. So first, ano nga ba ang MPU6050? Ang MPU6050 ay isang 6-axis motion sensor that includes 3-axis accelerometer para ma-measure ang acceleration, tilt, and movement. Then we also have the 3-axis gyroscope para ma-detect ang rotation and angular velocity. Meaning, nakaka-track siya ng movement in all directions, making it perfect for robotics, drones, motion capture, and even gaming controllers. It communicates using the I2C protocol, which allows it to send data to a microcontroller like an Arduino. So before tayo mag-start sa wiring, here's what you'll need. Kailangan natin ng MPU6050 sensor, Arduino Uno, jumper wires, and then breadboard. Again, breadboard is optional. Now let's get to wiring. Connecting the MPU6050 to an Arduino is super simple, so just follow me. So we connect the VCC to 5 volts, connect the ground to ground, SCL to A5, and then SDA to A4. So once tapos na kayo sa wiring, let's move on to the coding part. To get the MPU6050 working, gagamit tayo ng MPU6050 and wire libraries. If hindi pa nyo na-i-install, go to the Arduino Library Manager and search for MPU6050. Now, let's break down the key parts of the code. So first, we include the necessary libraries. Then, we initialize the sensor in the setup function. And we read the sensor data in the loop function. This will continuously print the acceleration and gyroscope data in real time. And then, if tapos na kayo sa coding, upload the code and open the serial monitor in Arduino IDE. You should see acceleration and gyroscope values changing when you move the sensor. So try tilting it or rotating it and watch how the data updates in real time. By the way, if you see all zeros or no response, just check the wiring connections, correct the I2C pins, or the library installation. And then that's all, guys. That's a wrap. Today, we explored the MPU6050 sensor. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And kung may tanong kayo, drop them in the comments below. And that's all, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy making!